done here?
Okay. Well, I gotta do inside the ductwork.
Oh, you put drywall up there?
Up in between. To
Alright.
hide the wires.
We're fixing every corner. Plaster. This is mid-weight trying compound. Hooking up the sink. This is our new window.
Sponge. I need the sponge.
So they're painting the wall already.
Look at this.
So they're painting this area and it's turquoise.
Are you sure you're happy with the white on the other side?
Yeah,
Okay. Because I'm kind of liking this better.
it looks nice.
Same now for all your piece.
And this area is white. First coat.
Okay.
Hello everyone, so I will update you guys to our basement. So the wall have first coat of paint already. So I pick white. The stair is not yet finished. And then they need to cover that area also. And then there's a light, two lights here. We have a carbon monoxide detector. It's been on. And then here, there's a first coat of paint already. That's what it looked like, the ceiling and then the wall. The windows been replaced already. They need to put a screen. The other one have screen already. And then they need to fix the side. And then in the other area, so there are paints already, it's first coating. And then in the bathroom, light. So this is the sink that I picked. Then inside, so it's hooked up already. And then there is a cabinet also that I can put some towels. So this is working already. I put some splash towels here. And then the window, they will just fix the side because the contractor said that the window is still okay. So they will just fix the side of that. And then the toilet bowl is been hooked already to the water. This is the mirror of the vanity. And then that's another window. And this is our laundry area slash activity area. So the laundry area in this part, so the washing machine and dryer. And then they already did the first coat of the blue paint. And the other side also, it's first coat of blue. Also that side. And that is our washing machine and our dryer. So they remove it because they cannot paint the side properly if there's a washing machine and dryer on that side. And then they put already the cover of the water. This is the cold and this is the hot for the washing machine. And look how pretty our window in our laundry area. So that's our laundry area slash activity area. So few more days and the basement will be finished. So that is the tiles. They need to clean it before they put a grout sealer because there's no sealer yet. So they want to finish doing the wall and the ceiling first before they put a sealer. So thank you so much for watching.